Hey, my DTD tours. Hey, it's week 3 of the DTD2 quarterly cycle, and that means it's D&O week. So this week, you're reaching out to everybody whose last name begins with D or begins with O. And of course, the theme is Do the Database Too, just exactly what this is. Now, here's this week's pro tip. Last week, we talked about staying out of call bias. So what that means is this week, everybody whose last name begins with D or begins with O, you're calling in that TCPA compliant way. And maybe you haven't connected with them in a long time. And yet, as you're going through all your DNOs of your MET database, these are not for leads, this is for METs. You may come across some where you're missing information. And this is a great opportunity to tag them in your database as maintenance. And at the end of the week, go back and maybe you have 10 that are in need of maintenance. They're missing information. Maybe you've got limited time, but take the time at the end of the week to go through at least 5 of them and get the updated information so you can get them in your cycle. If you're missing an address, which is keeping you from putting them on a smart plan for neighborhood nurture, or you're missing a phone number, find their social media connection and DM them. And if you're missing an address, say, hey, I was going to send you a note the other day, realized I don't have your address, would love to include you on a couple of things. What's your best mailing address right now? Or you're missing their phone number. Say, oh gosh, I was going to reach out to you today, had some big news going on, and we've just really wanted to keep our peeps informed on some things. Would love to reach out to you with a phone call. What's the best number to reach you at? Would that be okay? The pro tip, DTD2 is also your maintenance schedule. It helps you to stay out of call bias, as we already said. And of course, A&W week, we talked about the 3-attempt approach. Do that again this week. Be consistent. Conversations are the key. So that's your tips for this week. Talk to you next week. So long. Bye.